Well. Hi guys. Good morning guys. We're vlogging today. Oh wow. That's kind of weird to have a camera in my hand. I went into the dungeons to find this camera. Let's get dressed. All right. Wow, I haven't vlogged in what feels like forever. I freaking forgot about this crap. Ugh. Where do I put the camera? Hi guys, we are vlogging today. Well, for a few reasons. If you can't tell, my surroundings look different. I moved again. Why? Well, for a few reasons. Number one, I need more space. If you guys didn't know, I rent. I do not own a home yet, unfortunately, not yet. Still paying those divorce lawyer bills. Fun time. I would like to own a home. Soon come. I moved apartments for a couple of reasons. The first one was I loved my old one, but it was so beautiful. They kept raising the rent every single year. And if I'm going to be saving up for a home while simultaneously paying off these legal bills, I gotta be smart. You know, every year when they raise it, I'm just like, whatever, like I don't have time to move. I'm just gonna pay it and keep it pushing. But this year, I was like, look, this is not okay. So I was like, you know what, let's be smart, Whitney, suck it up and move yo shit. So I unfortunately moved in order to be smart and to save money, but moving is a good thing. And why is that? Because you get to throw away all your crap. And I had a lot of crap. I've been doing YouTube for over 14 years and I have never had a dedicated studio, never, to film. When I say studio, I mean like a dedicated room in my home to film. I can pay less and find a space that will give me so much more. And so this space is actually very similar, but what I also have is a dedicated space to film. And why is that important? Because I just don't have a lot of time to film. And if I have the energy to go and make a video, I wanna go and make a video. What has been happening is I'll have the energy to make a video and then I'll spend like 30 minutes setting up. And by the time I'm done setting up, I'm exhausted. So this is really great because I have all my stuff already set up and when I want to make a video, I can go make a video and it's going to be amazing. However, that space is not yet set up because I just moved in here literally. I've been in here for less than a month, but it looks great, doesn't it? I hung all my stuff up. It looks like home. It looks amazing. But I've been here less than a month, so I got to get my... Obviously the filming studio is not as important as the kids' bedrooms and all that kind of stuff. So since I don't have a place to film, I figured, you know what, let's vlog. Today will actually be a pretty laid back day. Melanin Haircare has remote days, and so half of the week we stay home, half of the week we go in, and then I like to take one day to be able to film content. And I keep looking at the viewfinder, sorry guys, I'm not used to vlogging, so I'll probably be looking at the viewfinder a lot, sorry. For the past couple weeks I haven't had time to film, which is why there's been no videos, but today is actually a pretty chill day. I do have to stop into the office. I've already spent a lot of time answering emails and on chat and all that, working. So I don't really have too much more time left. I also need to wash my hair and film another video, hopefully this weekend. So maybe I'll vlog then again. Oh, I'm vlogging. This is crazy. I'm vlogging over here. It feels like old days. Like this is, I like it. I kind of like it. What else? Guys, family, friends. Okay, sorry. We're drinking tea. That's actually my brand newest thing. I am trying to only drink coffee like once a month. So far I've had it once a week. I would like to go down to once a month, and then every other time just drink green tea because number one, it's much better for you, and number two, I've got a lot of stress and anxiety. I actually take anxiety medication and coffee does not help. Coffee makes my anxiety so bad. I was just laying in bed one day having coffee shakes, but I can go to sleep. Like I can go to sleep with the energy pulsating through my body. Which sounds crazy. My body basically just doesn't get a chance to rest is what I'm trying to say. I felt like my body could not relax. As I'm getting older, you know, my hair is just getting thinner as it just naturally does, but the stress and anxiety is not helping. So I just figured, you know what, let me go help my body. Let me reduce that cortisol, reduce the inflammation, all of that, and just start drinking green tea instead. I've been enjoying it. I love green tea. It's really good for your body and really good for your hair as well. I just want to note that I see how I'm not in the full frame. I do have another camera coming. I got it from Amazon. It's not here yet, so that's why I had to go and dig into the dungeons, into my camera cemetery for this guy. And actually, I mean, I don't know what it looks like on the computer yet, but the pixels don't look terrible. Okay, G7X come through. So I'm gonna finish up my green tea. I already had breakfast. I gotta take my vitamins. And of course, today's video is sponsored by Care of. You guys know that I love Care of. Care of is the personalized subscription service that ships high quality supplements, vitamins, and powders to your door on a monthly basis based on your personalized health goals and needs. They create curated sets of research-backed products, and every packet that they deliver is personalized specifically for you at your optimal dose based on your own dietary needs, lifestyle, and health goals. You can track your progress and how you're feeling over time with the Care of app and adjust your routine as your needs change. It's quick and easy to get started. Just take the Care of personalized quiz, which asks you questions about your current diet, health goals, and how you're feeling mentally and physically. Care of then recommends to you the specific vitamins and supplements that fit into your personalized health goals and needs, and then they ship them to your door every month in these personalized travel packs. I'm currently working on reducing my stress. I gotta increase my iron levels to give myself more energy. Basically, I want to get as much healthy calmness and healthy energy in my life as possible. And the personalized packs have been so helpful, and taking just one more thing off my plate to think about, and then also the travel packs go with me everywhere. That way I can just take it to go, and if I don't have time to take them at home, I can always take them at work. The Care of supplements are thoughtfully sourced and research-backed, housed in plant-based and compostable packaging. So if you're also interested in improving your mental and physical well-being, I invite you to take the Care of quiz today and find out which vitamins and supplements they recommend for your personal health goals. Click the link below. It will take you to takecareof.com and use my code Dearnaptural85 for 50% off your first order. That's takecareof.com. Click the link below and use the code Dearnaptural85 and you will receive 50% off your entire order. Thank you so much to Care of for sponsoring today's video. The reason I can't stop looking at the viewfinder is because I am literally hating what my hair looks like today. I actually hate when I do this side part thing. I don't know why I keep doing this. You know what? You know what I think it is now that I'm looking in the mirror? This looks different in person than it does on the camera. Like, this actually looks good in person, but on the camera, for some reason, this looks like trash. It looks like a comb over. What do I need to... Do you guys think I should put it up or should I just leave it? Maybe it was the lighting out there. It's not good lighting out there. Because, like, this looks good. It looks good in here. Did not look good out there. All right, I'm gonna keep it. I think it was just the lighting. This apartment doesn't have great lighting. I'm gonna have to set up my studio, and I'm never filming in any other area ever again. Yikes! Katooey! Katooey! It's so dusty out here. Maybe there's too much light. I don't know what it is, y'all, but whatever. Okay, sorry, let me just, you guys did not let me just get out of here. All right, you guys, you wanna come to the office with me? Let's go. Wait till you guys see what I am wearing today. Oh my God, I got dressed and I was like, nope, don't give a damn. I am in full Zoom wear today. Looks good on top, looks ridiculous on the bottom. And you know what, I don't care. You know what, I invite you to judge me. I know who I am. I am one accomplished woman. I don't need anyone's approval, but I do think it's hilarious. I want you guys to see this. Like, what are those? What are those? Judge me if you want. I'm an introvert. I don't need more friends. I'm good. Your loss. Let me clarify. I do care about how I look, obviously. That's why I called it a Zoom outfit. And I told you guys, today is a remote day. And I only need to look good on top. No one's here. Sad face. This is me right here. Wait till you see my freaking desk. Oh my God. Look at this desk. Hotmess.com. There's a lot going on, I told you, man. This is not an incubator brand. I am in this bee every day, as you can see by my desk. Looking a hot mess. I got some new samples that came in. Samples, baby. You know what that means. If you guys didn't know, the newest Melanin Haircare news actually announced on International Women's Day on Instagram that we were opening up community equity rounds, which is super exciting. We're doing it through WeFunder. Hey there, my name is Whitney White, and I am the co-founder and CEO of Melanin Haircare. Melanin Haircare is the award-winning natural hair care brand that delivers high-quality, luxurious products that feature innovative and effective natural ingredients. I forgot my bag downstairs. I was so excited to look at these. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm so excited. No one's here today. Again, it is a remote day, but we're gonna be doing a web stream to answer questions on the WeFunder. So if you guys hadn't noticed, we're constantly having to do restocks. We can't keep up because we just have so much demand. Like, we go out of stock and then we have to announce a restock, and then we go out of stock again and then we have to announce a restock. And we have been trying to get ahead of this for This has really been going on since the pandemic. What happens is the issue compiles and compounds, and we just have not been able to get ahead of it. And so we just can't produce as much as the demand needs, which is a really good problem to have. What we decided to do is just do a community round. This is gonna act as like a bridge, and we'll get into it more on the web stream. We do have VC funding, but we need a bridge to get to the next round of VC funding. And so that's what this is going to be. I didn't announce this at all on any of my Dearnaptural85 pages. We really just promoted this on Melanin Haircare. This is like the first time that maybe some of you guys are hearing about it, but yes, we are doing investor rounds for the community. I'll put the link below for you guys to click through there and check it out, watch the video, read through the documents, etc., etc. We're seeking 1 million. We're gonna be raising up to 1.2 million. And if the interest is higher than that, we may consider going over that. But right now we're really just cutting it at 1.2. So obviously equity is limited. So if you want in, you gotta go reserve because we are going to be cutting it at 1.2 million. And the reason for that is just because like we just don't have unlimited equity to be giving out. Obviously, it benefits you guys, it benefits us. And if you guys love Melanin hair care products, if you are somebody who uses it constantly, like the opportunity to basically be investing in yourself when you buy your hair care is a really huge opportunity. Like if you are already using the products, you're gonna go up now. This is my standing desk, you're going up. But yeah, if you're already using the products, it just makes sense. It's an opportunity to invest in your hair care and in your like financial well-being. And so again, I'll post a link for that in the description box as well. There's some perks for like the amount that you invest. And so that's gonna be really exciting. But again, I'll put the link for you below. Yeah. I got a selfie stick now. Look at this. Selfie stick. I hope this doesn't drop because this tripod is made for a phone and I'm using it for my camera, baby. Oh, it's probably super zoomed in too. I'm starving. On my way to get the kids, and I have snacks for them because, mark my words, the first thing they're going to ask is, did you bring a snack? Hi, Theo.
Word problems?
Yeah.
And there was 9 ears, and we're so confused.
Yeah, are you so confused right now? Your face. Hi, wow, thank you. Good morning. Or hi guys.
So confused.
Do you have a snack?
But I told Mom.
Do you have a snack?
49ers, and then Mom said.
Hold on.
And then Mom said the 49ers, and then Mr.
Put your seatbelt on, Theo.
Yeah. And then I was like, yeah.
Guys.
Hi, Ma.
How was your day?
You bring a snack.
I told you. I literally, I told them. I said when they hop in the car.
Are you vlogging?
I am. Hi.
Wait. No.
It's okay. I don't want you to be on the spot. You want to sing?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go.
If a lover you should know, lonely days when you're lonelier, longer you're alone. If you were alone, eyes to heart to heart become this taboo.
Oh. Yay! He's a little songbird. That was beautiful, Mijo. Thank you. Okay, goodbye. Let's talk about this laundry.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, don't hit, Olivia. I don't like that at all. Let me explain this. This is unfair. Okay, look, guys, this is not America's Got Talent. Now they want to perform. So this over here, when we moved to this apartment, the dryer was not working. So I had to wait for them to get me a brand new dryer, which I just got literally yesterday. Don't climb on that, Theo. Don't climb on it because you're gonna wrinkle up the clothes. Get off. I literally just got the dryer yesterday. So obviously I need to like wash all the clothes. All of these, I'm gonna put these away hopefully today. But of course, the day that I'm vlogging, there's a huge pile of laundry. Like this ain't it. This is not what I've been doing lately. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Thank you so much. I do appreciate that, Theodore. Theodore, how old are you?
6.5.
Ooh, you big boy. You're so big.
Are they playing Uno?
So when we play Uno, we play until the deck is gone.
Yeah.
I have to be ruthless with this guy because he is a good Uno player for sure. See, there he goes. And what color are you?
Green.
Okay, your turn.
Shh. Look at.
Here, I'll face this for you. So the Theodore. What?
No!
The color is blue.
No!
And now I want you to take 4, please. Your face.
What's the color?
My turn. Hold on. Blue, but it's my turn.
No!
It's my turn. Listen, don't feel bad for him. Don't feel bad for him because he is vicious on Uno. We do this pretty much every day and we'll go until the deck is gone. It's usually about 5 games, which is perfect because we'll see who's gonna win the best out of 5. So don't feel bad for him. Theodore, you're cheating. You need to calm down. Be careful.
She really tried to kiss me.
I did try to kiss you. Now do it again.
You wish you could.
Oh.
Take 6.
What? You see what I'm saying, y'all? Do you see what he just did to me? Whatever. He just yo, this is why you can't be, if you guys were sitting there thinking I was being rough on this kid, now you know, because he takes no prisoners. Look how happy you are. Good Lord, child. Fine. Fine. I don't even think there are 6 in here. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's exactly 6. Okay, the deck is done. It's like something that I like to do whenever I have time, which is not often, but as you can see, puzzles! These are just 2 of them. I haven't had the willpower to put them away because these ones were actually really hard. These were 500 pieces, and this one kills me because it's missing a piece. I don't know where it went! This is kind of like my favorite late night thing to do because it just kind of relaxes me, challenges my brain, and it's just something that I like to do. The kids will help me out. Usually they'll do the frame and then they'll piece out. But again, they were helping me a lot on the 300 piece puzzles. These ones were really, really, really hard, honestly. So that's probably why they pieced out so much on these 2. Ow! Theodore! Okay. Ow! What's up, Lou? Ow! Hi, Lou. Olivia has been in her room where she hides away forever and ever because she's a preteen. So I just finished washing my hair. I don't know if I have the energy to blow it out tonight, but I'm gonna try and do it this weekend. It's my weekend off. I'm full-time single mom, and then I have every other weekend off. So I have 4 days a month off. That's usually when you'll see like me do a ton of videos will come out. So I'm gonna try and do my hair this weekend. I really enjoyed vlogging with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more. It felt really nice to vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box below. Check out Care of, the sponsor of today's video, the investor WeFunder page if you're interested in investing in Melanin Haircare. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.